Welcome to your own ODOOISTIC channel, where we dive deep into real-world Odoo development, integrations, and practical solutions to empower your business workflows. In today's video, we are exploring an exciting integration: how to connect ONLYOFFICE Docs with Odoo, enabling you to open, edit, and collaborate on Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and even PDFs directly within your Odoo environment. This is a sponsored video in collaboration with ONLYOFFICE, and I'm genuinely glad we partnered on this because practical step-by-step content for this kind of integration is rare, especially for real business use cases. So, what is ONLYOFFICE Docs? ONLYOFFICE Docs is a powerful open source online office suite designed for real-world collaboration and deep integration into business systems. There is Community Edition, free under AGPL version 3, full source code on GitHub, perfect for tech-savvy teams handling non-critical yet essential doc work. Professional grading editing suites, supports rich editing of DocX, Excel SX, PPTX, and a built-in PDF editor. Wow! That enables annotation, form filling, format conversion, highlighting, commenting, and redaction. Ideal for users who need more than a viewer but don't want to leave Odoo. Advanced collaboration tools, real-time co-editing with both fast, optimistic, and strict paragraph lock modes, built-in chat, commenting, revision history, version control, and track changes. Source and extensible, offers heavyweight security, JWT tokens, access control, sandbox editing, full audit logs, highly extensible via REST-style automation and conversion APIs, WOPI support, and plugin support. Cross-platform compatibility, works seamlessly on desktop, web, mobile, iOS, Android, Docker setups, or cloud deployments. Reads and writes Microsoft Office standards, DocX, Excel SX, PPTX perfectly, supports important only format. Limitations and Community Edition consideration, so up to 20 concurrent sessions per server instance, enough for small teams but may require enterprise scaling for larger usage. Right. So let's take a quick look at the various ways we can install ONLYOFFICE Docs, depending on your environment and preferences. So as you can see in my screen, this is the download page for ONLYOFFICE. Download community versions of ONLYOFFICE products. And here you can see various options. You can install it for Windows here. Perfect for local setups and small internal networks. Just download the exe file and follow the simple wizard. Then we have got option for Linux, Debian, Ubuntu. For Ubuntu, Debian, Cent operating system, and RHEL users, install via .deb or .rpm packages using apt or yum. So here you can see Intel or ARM. Also, source code is available on GitHub. All the instructions are there. Then there is very famous option, Docker image, also present here. The fastest and cleanest deployment. Just run their official install script or pull from Docker Hub. Then Snap package also is there. If you're on Ubuntu with Snap support, install instantly with sudo snap install ONLYOFFICE-ds. Don't worry, I will share all the commands to install on Ubuntu as well, for Docker image, for Snap package. So I will definitely share in the descriptions. Then cloud platforms like Vultr, DigitalOcean, AWS, you also have got support here. So if you just look at here, for KVM, You can deploy a ready-made cloud instance of OnlyOffice Docs on your favorite hosting provider using pre-configured apps on Docker stacks. So as you can see, VMware, this vulture is here. Click app on DigitalOcean is also in here. Then UCS Univention corporate server. You also have option here to install in there. OnlyOffice is available in the Univention App Center, ideal for enterprise environments using UCS as a base system. Okay, so now we are going to talk about installing the OnlyOffice connector in Odoo. Now that OnlyOffice Docs is set up and we want to install it with Odoo system, this is actually the topic of our video. So let's go on GitHub. I will share the github.com/onlyoffice/onlyoffice_odoo. This is the repo there, which is this one. So here you can have OnlyOffice_odoo. This is one module. Then you have got OnlyOffice_odoo_documents. And then you also have got OnlyOffice_odoo_templates. So if you click on here in code, you have got all three options here. You can clone by using HTTPS, or you can have clone by using SSH or GitHub CLI. Once you will clone, or once you will have those three modules, then just save it wherever you want in your local hard drive or local space in your system. And then you need to paste it in your custom add-ons. How we can do that? There are two ways. First of all, if we go in Odoo apps and then we can search for OnlyOffice, then you will just find this page. Let's suppose we are in, or you can just write on Google Odoo apps and then simply click here and search here OnlyOffice. Once you do that, you can see here OnlyOffice. So you can just click and then simply download for 18. So you can do that one way. The second way is you can go on GitHub repository. The link I will share in the description. So once you go here and then you can click here in code. So there are three ways: HTTPS, through SSH, or through GitHub CLI. You can just clone all the modules in your local or wherever you want to save them. Because I have already saved those modules in my local, which I show you. So here in my folder, if I click here OnlyOffice, so I have just got all three modules here in my local. Okay, what we need to do afterwards, so we can use a command here, git clone, and then use SSH. And we can just use, that's it, just press enter, and you can see it's cloning. And once this process is completed, we can go in our folder, and when we just double click, we can have all the files here. So these are three modules which I'm talking about. One is OnlyOffice Odoo_Odoo. Second is OnlyOffice_Odoo documents, and then OnlyOffice_Odoo_templates. Right, guys. So once we have got all the modules downloaded, then we need to copy all these three modules in our custom add-ons folder, which is in our Odoo main directory. So because I have already installed my Odoo and my Synology, which is this. So if I go there, and it's actually in Docker, and if you see here in Odoo folder, so I have got here my add-ons folder, and in my add-ons folder I have already copied those three modules. The first one is Odoo Office underscore Odoo, then ONLYOFFICE underscore Odoo underscore documents, and then ONLYOFFICE underscore Odoo underscore templates. Right. Once we have got all these modules in our custom add-ons folder, what we need to do, we just need to go in Odoo. We need to start our Odoo, which is this one. Right. So now we need to go in apps, and after that we need to make sure that our developer mode is on. I also show you in my settings, this is Odoo 18 Enterprise Edition. This is important because for ONLYOFFICE Odoo, Enterprise Edition is a must. We must have that. Core module required for others. So, okay. Then we are going in apps, and we need to click this button, update apps list, so it can recognize or fetch all the new modules. So now what we do, we just search with ONLYOFFICE. So we can see all those three modules here: ONLYOFFICE, ONLYOFFICE Documents, and then ONLYOFFICE Templates. So once we have installed, and we can see all these three modules, before that we need to install a dependency which is called PyJWT. And how we can do that, let me just show you. So because I have installed my Odoo in my server, so first I just need to log in into that. Right. So I'm inside my server at the moment. So after that, I need to go inside my Docker environment where I have installed it. Right. So here, Odoo has been installed here. So what I need to do, I just need to install pyjwt. So for that, command is pip3 install py. Once we do that, it's saying that pip is not installed there. There's another command, we can use it here, and we can use it python3 -m pip install pyjwt. Right. So we can use another command here, which is this pip3 install pyjwt and --break -system -packages and press enter. So now it's saying defaulting user installation because normal side packages is not writable. It's already satisfied. It's already been satisfied. So what you need to do, wherever your Odoo, if it's not installed in Docker or wherever it has been installed, you just install this dependency, which you can simply by pip3 install pyjwt. Right. After that, we are just going to install the first module. So which is this one. So what we are going to do, we can click this activate ONLYOFFICE. And that's it. It has been installed. So once we have downloaded these modules, we can just install the modules after that. And as you can see, I have already installed these modules by clicking activate. If you click OnlyOffice document activate first, then automatically it will also install OnlyOffice module, because that is a prerequisite. After that, once these modules have been installed, we need to do some settings, and for that we need to go in settings, make sure your developer mode is on, and then click on OnlyOffice. So now we have 3 ways to connect this one, document server URL. The first one is, if we are using our own dedicated document server, then we can place that address here and here as well, and document editing service address for internal requests for the server. So in both places here. Second option is if you can just click on connect to demo OnlyOffice Docs server. So you can also do that, but that is for the limited period time. So you can also do that. Or you can also do get now. Once you click on get now, that will be demo OnlyOffice Docs server. And then this form you can see on your screen, where you will just place your full name, email, tariff plan, platform, which I have just selected custom, and then start free. After some time, you will also you will see one email, which I will show you shortly. This email, where I will be having my docs address, then docs JWT header, and docs JWT secret. So the first, my document server URL, I will place it here, which I receive, and also here. The same thing in 2 places. Then the third thing, which is document server JWT secret, this one, docs JWT secret here, and document server JWT header as well, which I will place it here. After doing these settings, we are all good to go, and we can click save here. So the first thing we can initiate with, we can just go on discuss module, and here we can just choose any channel, and we can just place any doc, PPT, Excel, or PDF file here. So let's connect one file, which is privacy. This one, this docx file, just for test. And we send this file here on this channel, which is a document file. And here you can see one icon button here. So I can click here, and it will directly open my file into OnlyOffice, where I can edit this file. I can change this file on OnlyOffice. Here you can see on this left-hand top corner, OnlyOffice is there. So here we have got all the tools to make changes into file. We can just change the layout. We can insert something like tables or forms or charts or whatever you like. I mean, exactly same what we can achieve by using Office. So basically, OnlyOffice has made it so easy to use Microsoft Office tools directly in Odoo. You can change your Excel files now. You can change your PowerPoint files, document files, and even PDFs as well. All right, so this is one way of using, which I have just shown you. And then after that, if let's suppose you can also use directly in application. So we go in sales and we create a new sale order. So here we just add a product, or just to show you, okay, right. So the sale order has been created. So now we are logging note internally, and we are adding one file, which any file, we can just add a document file or anything. So I have added this file here. I logged this note, And now again, I click this button and it will directly take us to the OnlyOffice, and we can change our file as well here. So whatever we want, we can do it here as well. So this is beauty. This is quite power of OnlyOffice, that how we can integrate with all these documents. Let me just add another PDF document. So this is a PDF document, and we can click this button here in PDF format, and also you can edit this as well by editing text, by doing whatever you like. So this is quite powerful, guys. So this is how you can change your documents, connect your documents by using Odoo. So we are diving into the OnlyOffice Templates module for Odoo, a powerful feature that lets you generate professional dynamic documents directly from your Odoo records. Businesses of all sizes deal with documents every day: contracts, invoices, agreements, reports, bills of lading, questionnaires, tables, meetings, minutes, etc. Creating them from scratch can undermine the productivity of your team. So ready-to-use fillable form templates can save you a lot of time and effort. This is where the new OnlyOffice app enters the game. OnlyOffice Templates creates a new module within your Odoo platform, allowing you to work with fillable form templates. Since Odoo provides teams and companies with a very vast array of business apps, the ability to work with such templates seems a valuable addition to the platform. With the new app, you can do the following: create new form templates for any Odoo module, edit, download, and delete the existing form templates, assign access roles, user and administrator for more efficient template management, print already completed form templates based on the data and fields available in Odoo. Once the module is installed, as you can see in my screen, the module has been installed. You will see the OnlyOffice Templates menu in your home screen. So once you go in your home screen, you can see here OnlyOffice Templates menu is there. So there is one tip: install all relevant Odoo modules like sales, invoices, calendar, or recruitment first. OnlyOffice demo templates will only appear for the modules already installed. Access and manage your form templates. So once you will click OnlyOffice template, you will see here that all the pre-built or pre-installed templates, you can see it here. In my at the moment, because I'm using a test version, that's why you can't see it here, but I have attached the screen here, a picture here, that how you can see all the pre-built templates there. To access the templates module, you need to log into Odoo platform, which already we have done. After that, you will see a new page with all existing form templates. And these templates, which you can see in this picture, they can be edited, downloaded, and deleted using the corresponding options from the context menu. To choose one of the available options, just click the three dots button on the right corner, and then you can just delete or edit or download them. To create templates, it's best to enable developer mode, which we have already done it. And then in the home screen, you can see this new button, and we can press it here. So first we need to enter our template name. So I would say that sale order discount email. And here we need to select the model field, specify the Odoo model this template is for. So we will say sales, and we will get all the options. We choose sale order. In the to find the model, go to a record that uses OnlyOffice and check the URL. So you will see something like model is sale.order. So you can just copy from there. Here you can just upload your file, which in our case, we are not doing it, so just save it. So once we save it, we can just access this template, which already we have saved it. Then we can edit the existing form templates. With the OnlyOffice app, we can easily edit any of our form templates, we just need to click the one we want to edit. And the template will open in the OnlyOffice editor just like that. Just click it here and you can see that this template is opened in OnlyOffice. So how we can create it, we can just type, or we have all the tools here: text field, combo box, drop down, checkbox, radio button, image. So we can just do whatever we like. So because this is just related to a small email, so we say dear, and here we will pick the dynamic name, and we can search here in sale order module. Because this is for sale order module, we say customer, we say name. So once we just type customer here, we get customer here, and then we can just click it here, and here we can say name. So this is name. So dear name, and then comma. We are offering discount, and for discount we can also choose dynamic field, and here we can just type order line, and in order line there is a field which is called discount, this one. So we are offering discount on your order reference number. So here we can also choose order reference. Yep. So order reference, and so you will be getting discount on the whole total. And we can also choose in order line, there is a field here, total. So that's it. This is just very small for just demo purposes. I'm just showing it to you, but you can just create any template, any kind of template, guys. So I just show you in another picture that like these kind of templates you can just create. So once you finish it, you can just go back to OnlyOffice templates, and you can see this is a template. You can click it. You can again edit once you click it. So all the changes have already been saved. And because this template is for sale order, so we can just go in sales now. We can just go in any existing sale order. And here, once we will click on this action button, we will see print with OnlyOffice. Voila. This is amazing, guys. So once we will click it here, our sale order discount email template is there. And once we will print, we will get our printout. Let's wrap everything up. Today, we explored the seamless integration of OnlyOffice with Odoo and how this powerful combination can elevate your document workflow to a whole new level. We started by installing the OnlyOffice main module, which acts as the foundation connecting your Odoo system to the OnlyOffice document server. Then we looked at the OnlyOffice Documents module, which enables users to create, view, edit, and attach files like DocX, XLSX, and PDF right from inside Odoo. You no longer need to switch between platforms. Your business documents now live exactly where your business runs. After that, we explored the real star of the show, the OnlyOffice Templates module. With templates, we can create and upload dynamic fillable forms tailored to our Odoo models. Autofill those templates with real-time data pulled directly from Odoo and generate fully completed documents such as sales contracts, sale documents, invoices, HR agreements, and more with just a couple of clicks. The best part, once set up, your team can print or download pre-filled forms instantly using the print with OnlyOffice action, saving time, reducing human error, and standardizing your documentation across departments. The integration is more than just convenient. It's a smart step toward document automation, data accuracy, and operational efficiency. Whether you're in sales, accounting, HR, project management, or recruitment, ONLYOFFICE inside Odoo helps you work faster, smarter, and more professionally. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorial like this. Let me know in the comments what kind of templates would you like to automate in the business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.